week, Perifery announces a new AI-based intelligent content engine for media management. This cutting-edge software platform is designed to redefine the management, organization, and curation of multimedia assets, including images, videos, audio files, documents, and more. So, Philip, can you break this down for us?
Yeah, so I guess I'm getting a little AI fatigued. Um, we're seeing it more and more in these types of solutions, and I think there's a role for them. And as they get better and get trained better, they'll be more impactful. There isn't a lot yet out on exactly what this could do. The big issue, I think, with a lot of these AI-based solutions are if you want to get a truck, it's easy to get a truck. It's like, give me a truck, give me a blue truck, give me a truck in front of a barn. But if you say, give me a truck in front of the Washington Monument, they have a little more difficulty because they don't know what the Washington Monument is. Now, I think with a lot of these solutions, if they start to build in the ability to, I hate to use the term learn, but effectively learn or train the model around your content so that it knows what a tornado is for the Weather Channel or knows what a hurricane is. I have seen other solutions where they are actually interacting with the marketing department of the football teams. And so they're getting the data of who the player is, the facial recognition, the player's number, those kind of things. So I think if this particular solution can provide that kind of capability, or any of the solutions that are out there provide the capability where it makes it easier to train the model on your specific area. I mean, as a perfect example, early on with voice recognition, you used to have to, and transcription, you would buy a special package for the legal profession. You'd buy a special package for the medical profession because they use different words, different technologies, or different terminologies. I think it's sort of the same thing in this. It's going to be how can they develop solutions that make it easier for specific organizations to train those models around the things that they're doing. And I think once that's done, then they really become very, very powerful. I've played with some of them. They're interesting. They still have some growing room, I guess.
We talk about AI a lot, but it seems like has a lot more organizational uses compared to just generally content creation.
Yeah. I mean, it is basically taking the role of what you would have been the librarian, the content librarian, and simplifying that task and making it easier to find the content that you have in your libraries and the value in those libraries. But again, it goes back to how do I make it so that I can train the model to say, this is XYZ person, and then it recognizes XYZ person. And that's not a difficult thing to do. It's just what's the UI look like to make it simple for an average non-technical person. And once I think they've done that with these solutions, then you'll see them really become very, very powerful within organizations.